I love this grinder. It is so solid and super easy to use. This is coarse, and then that's super fine, but you can adjust it if you have a little wrench. You can make it and test it and see if you want it coarser or finer. I made it a slightly bit coarser because I use a French press, stainless steel French press. This is on 6. So you just screw this. You can measure out your tablespoons, was very nice. You screw it into the bottom. This goes on the top to grind the coffee. If you have it about here, it's about 30 times around, which isn't really that hard. And I've got rheumatoid arthritis. And I love this sturdy foamy case. I store it in it after I use it because it's just so convenient, and all the pieces are right there. It's a nice sturdy box that you can use over and over and over. Very sturdy. Excellent product. 5 stars all the way around. Couldn't be better.
Beautiful wooden handle. You can see the numbers that allow you to make it a finer grind or not. Handle. And I received a lovely email from the owners. It's a small company, and they sent a reminder on how to set the fine grind, and if it's too coarse, how to correct that on your own. And we love it.
Okay, the grinder, it has coffee, but the problem is that it doesn't work because it doesn't grind. It doesn't grind the coffee. I don't know what happened.